But yeah, so speaking of train derailments, um, so I saw that apparently not too long ago there was a train derailment in a little place called Silver Dollar City
Oh,
that
Jesus.
happens to be in Branson, Missouri, which Austin frequently goes to.
I actually don't frequently go to Branson, Missouri. I go to like once or twice, maybe a year.
Mhm.
So don't even with me.
So apparently this isn't even the first train derailment to happen there, according to Austin.
I'm pretty sure there was one that happened years ago when I was like fucking 4. I'm pretty fucking sure.
So this comes from ABC News. Silver Dollar City train wreck injures 7 at Branson, Missouri theme park. Branson train brings guests on scenic 20-minute ride through the countryside. Several people were injured Wednesday. This was like in October of last year at an amusement park in Branson, Missouri. After sections of a train ride derailed from the track, the park says 6 guests and one transported by ambulance to get medical treatment. The Silver Dollar City theme park said in a statement on Twitter that the park did not detail the extent of the injuries. On-site paramedics provided emergency care until first responders arrived, the park said. The Frisco Silver Dollar line brings guests on a scenic 20-minute ride through the countryside, interrupted by a theatrical stick-up by a band of train robbers. Jesus fucking Christ, this Red Dead Redemption you guys got going on down there? Fucking train robbers, bro? Are you
Okay,
serious?
I don't I don't fucking see. Here's the thing, bro.
Is fucking John Marston gonna come up on the fucking
Okay,
train?
fuck you for one. For two, I'm not really too much of a fan of Silver Dollar City. I really ain't. It
Well, how
ain't
come
my
you
cup
go
of
there
tea.
recently?
I go there mainly because my family does. Even my mom said recently, even though she didn't tell me before, but she was like, she wanted me to go before. But now apparently she's like, if you don't want to go, you don't have to. So I don't have to fucking go every fucking time. But
Jesus
like,
Christ.
I'm not a big fan of Silver Dollar. It's just not my thing. Like, if I'm gonna go to a theme park, I'm gonna want to go to like Universal Studios or Disneyland or something. I don't want to go to something that I've been to like 15 times already. And it's not even that fun, bro. It really ain't, bro. I'm not a roller coaster guy, and it's pretty much all roller coasters. Like I've only went on that train once when I was like 7. Like I shit you not.
I'm sorry, there's a part of this article coming up. I know I'm gonna die laughing when I get to it. It's so fucking hick.
God damn it, man. You know, parts of Ohio are hick too. You know, you can't even fuck with me on that shit. So don't
No,
even with me.
there's nothing. There's not a fucking train in Ohio where they gotta fucking stop and have a goddamn fucking skit where fucking goddamn 1800s train robbers get on the
Well,
fucking train.
I it's not like it was my idea to do it. Like it's not like I'm not fucking supporting it and being like, "Oh yeah, it's fucking great." It's not. It's stupid as fuck. Like I'm not even gonna lie. Are you
It's
okay?
so, it's so fucking like why?
I don't
Why?
know, man.
What's coming up is even funnier.
Oh
Oh my
great.
god. The ride is billed as a staple of the park that has been in operation since 1962. Jesus Christ. Gary Eldridge and his family came to Silver Dollar City for the Pumpkin Festival and were riding in their last car train when it derailed.
I
So
swear.
this is what this is what Gary said, and I quote: We had just passed the part of the ride where they gave the moonshine skit.
What? I haven't even, bro. I haven't been on this train in years. I don't even know what they're fucking talking about. What?
The moonshine skit. What
What
the
the
fuck
fuck
is
is
the
the
moonshine
moonshine
skit?
skit?
That's so fucking hick, bro. What the fuck is? He said we went around the next corner and the car in front of me acted like it hit a bump and started shaking real bad. It derailed and took the cars in front of it with it. A video he took of the toppled train shows several bright red train cars flipped on their side, with some of their wheels detached and sitting on the track. Fucking the moonshine skit.
I
What the
gen
fuck?
Devon, I genuinely do not know what the fucking moonshine skit is. I'm not even joking. I have no fucking clue.
Wait, what? On May 1st of 1972 at Silver Dollar City, a 67-year-old woman from Rogers, Arkansas suffered injuries after falling off a car near the end of its run. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. How many deaths have there been at Silver Dollar City? Wait, what? Oh my god, apparently that train ride caused one fatality in 1980. Wait, hold on. Bro, Silver Dollar City is fucking cursed, bro. Fucking, oh god. Oh, coaster accidentally switches tracks at Silver Dollar City. Silver Dollar City, located in Missouri, is one of America's most successful amusement parks. Fire in the Hole, a three-story steel-enclosed roller coaster. Have you ever been on that?
No. Fuck
Have
roller
you seen
coasters,
it?
man. I've seen it, yeah.
Is a favorite amongst the amusement park enthusiasts for its dated production values and the peculiar concept of the ride. It's also the ride responsible for the only fatality at Silver Dollar City. On July 9th, 1980, 23-year-old James Frederick Pauley was one of several passengers riding a train on fire in the hole, which was mistakenly thought to be empty. The train had switched from the main tracks onto a maintenance track heading towards a storage area with a low-hanging door. Maintenance workers shouted at the passengers to duck. Ollie failed to react, his head on the door. The accident was ruled as a case of human error. A case of human error? The fuck? How the fuck would you not know that it's not empty, dumbasses? Were you? Did the fucking train robbers distract them from the fucking? Jesus Christ! What is this theme park, Austin? How have you never talked about this before?
Cause I didn't know all this shit, bro.
As a result of human error. Were they too busy drinking the moonshine?
I
Oh my
hate you
god.
sometimes, bro. I really do.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Hold on, I gotta look up more about Silver Dollar Cities. We're going down a
Oh god.
Silver Dollar City
Okay.
rabbit hole.
Well, it's time to save a cliffhanger. Ah, her recording again.
The fucking moonshine Okay, I want to see like what what fucking rides do they got at this place? Ew, the powder keg. What the fuck is that? A blast into the past. Oh, sorry, blast into the wilderness is a steel launched roller coaster. Okay, that wow, it doesn't really say that much about it. Oh my fucking god, fire in the hole. Oh, you told me about this one, Outlaw Run. Have you been on Outlaw Run?
No.
It's a, it's a wooden roller coaster manufactured by, oh my god, even the name is Southern Rocky Mountain Construction. Is everything in Missouri just fucking country? Like, Jesus Christ, bro.
I mean,
I thought, fucking,
if you go to
what?
Springfield, Missouri, a lot of kids like to act like they're like a lot of white kids like to act like they're black. So I mean, that's not country if you think about it.
Thunderation. They
That's the
have a
one that I went
what?
on.
Oh, sorry,
And I will
Thunder.
never go
Yeah,
on.
Thunderation.
I will never go on it
Like,
again.
so what was your experience with Thunderation like?
I went on it. I almost blacked out. Not
Oh
doing it
my
again.
god.
Just no,
How did wait? Why did you almost black out?
because I have extreme anxiety and going on a roller coaster was a bad fucking idea.
Wait, it's a roller coaster.
Yes.
Oh, here's a video of Thunderation. Let me see what this looks like. Oh god, everything looks so old in this fucking roller coaster. Okay, we're starting off, boys. We're starting on this roller coaster. Let's see how fucking if this is blackout worthy. So going downhill, not too bad. Was there like a specific part that was really bad?
All of it. Keep in mind,
It's
I was
going.
8.
Bro, this really doesn't seem that bad.
I hate fucking roller coasters, okay?
Okay, this part's going in a tunnel. Okay, it definitely goes fast.
I was also in the
There's not
front.
there's not like any loops or anything that I'm seeing. Okay, now we're going up this fucking into this the fucking the Austin barn. Come on, taking forever to go up the hill. Okay, it goes up and then down. That was it? Bro, that that is really ain't even that bad, bro. There was not one loop-de-loop or upside down or twist or anything, bro. That's like the most tame roller coaster I've ever seen. How did you almost black out on that?
I would like to move on now.
No, you opened up this can of worms. We're
Nah,
going
nah,
down.
I would like. Nah, I would like to move on.
Here's one called the Time Traveler. Did they just have roller coasters and that's it? You Mystic River Falls. What the fuck? The Grand Exposition Coaster? What are these names? Oh, there's the giant barn swing you told me about. What is the giant barn swing is a screamin' swing Why'd they say screamin'? Swing style amusement ride designed and built. Okay. Okay, but can you tell me what? Okay, here we go. Here's a fucking point of view. Ew. Why does it look like that? See, that would probably scare me worse than the roller coaster. Yeah, that would definitely scare me more than the roller coaster. God, okay, yeah, that would be one of those rides where I would say, fuck that. You don't want to mess around with the giant barn swing. Wildfire. Oh my god. Who knew fucking Missouri was even more fucking hick and southern than I thought? Hold on, like what else do they have besides roller coasters? Is that really all they got? It's just roller coasters?
Pretty much, to be completely honest with you.
Train. I want to see what the train ride is like. Okay. Alright, this is the train ride point of view. Let's see. Ew. The conductor said, I'm gonna tell y'all about the Silver Dollar City attraction. What the fuck? I didn't know Missouri was the fucking sticks, bro.
It isn't the sticks, bro. Fuck off.
He said that's about a 4.2 mile curve out there, you hear? Bro.
I'm in hell right now. I'm just in
Bro,
literal hell right
the
now.
conductor sounds like fucking Boomhauer. He said, "Why you want to get on goddamn and got goddamn on train, man?" he said, "Goddamn old Hank, man."
I'm in legit hell right now, bro. Oh my god.
Hey,
Uh,
oh god, there's one of the skits.
5 years in the fourth grade. You want to know what it means? Yeah, I do now. All right, it means they're going to swoop down on your train. Whooping! They're going to burn her to the rails. Yeehaw! And then they're going to steal all the men. Hey, hey, hey. I ain't buying this story. You don't got to buy it. It's free. I'll get it to you for free. Well, that'll be free. I don't want it. But for the safety of my passengers, I'll go down here and check on those Yankees. That's a good idea. Well, wait, kid out here. You stay away from my train and you stay away from my passengers or I'll give you a big surprise. Ooh, surprise. I like surprises. What do you got?
oh, the acting, bro.
No, I don't even like I got one. If I got a second, it'd be
This is your focus and this is your people.
Oh, just stop, bro. Just stop. I really fucking hate you sometimes, dude.
What did you say? Make sure you check on both sides of the track.
Oh, the acting. Oh.
Ew, there's a big ass outhouse.
I swear, this isn't a representation of all of Missouri. I swear, bro. I genuinely swear it isn't. Oh, this is so terrible.
Gold, silver, copper dollars, high fives. What you doing down here by my tray? Oh, he was just sharing some goldfish with me. Well, I got something to share with you. What do you got? Lead. Oh, I don't want lead. Why not? I run better on leaded.
Stop, bro. Just end it. Just, I can't do it no more.
Well, I walked all the way down there at that tunnel and all the way back there.
He's got a fucking gun. He's got a gun.
And then I catch you right down there by my train, robbing my passengers.
Yeah. Oh, wait, what? But I'm sorry about that.
Don't tell me you're sorry. You tell these folks you're sorry.
Tell them what?
Step up there and say you're sorry, Bowen.
Okay, I don't know how it's gonna help. You're sorry, Bowen.
No, that's not what I meant.
That's what you said.
That's not what you were. Down here, I'm gonna blend
It's a secret.
right there.
Woo! Oh, you got me in the arm. That hurt.
Yeah, let's stop.
That hurt. I can't. This isn't a representation of all Missouri. This isn't. I swear to you guys. I really fucking swear.
Yeehaw, Austin, yeehaw.
Oh. No, fuck you. I'm finding something about Ohio. Fuck you. You're a dick.
Bro, there ain't nothing that's gonna top Silver Dollar City. Bro.
I
This is
will
your-
fucking.
this is
I
your
will
goddamn
fucking
stomping
find.
grounds.
It is not my stomping grounds, motherfucker. It's such an
Boston,
ass.
born and raised.
Oh God, stop.
Apparently, that lady was the train robber. Wait, where's the moonshine skit? Hold on,
I don't understand.
I gotta go back.
I'm gonna come down there and I'm gonna ask for your gold, your silver, your copper. Oh, yeah?
So I'm just gonna take.
Wow, that's it. Jesus fucking Christ.
So that's only the
Oh
first
my.
torture you're gonna put me through today. Great, nice.
The train robbers' names are apparently Alfie and Ralphie.
I swear, Missouri isn't all that hick, bro. It isn't all that hick. I swear to you.
Oh my god. Even the logo. Oh my god. How much does it cost per person? $85 for a fucking ticket? Are you kidding me? $75 for children? Are you out of your fucking mind, Austin? Oh my god.
Why are you saying me? Why are you saying me?
Jeez, now Austin's the fucking train robber here. Oh
I'm-
my god.
How am I the train robber, bro?
Because you're over here representing Missouri for the podcast, so
What the fuck, man?
you and the goddamn all moonshine boys down there in Missouri.
I'm gonna bash my head against the wall. That feels better than what I'm hearing right now.
And apparently they shut down the Fire in the Hole ride.
I don't care, bro.
Oh my god! $7.99 for a can of soda? Austin!
Why?
What are you doing?
What do you
And
mean?
another $1.30 fill? Oh my god. To buy a fucking cup is $13.99 for a mug? Oh my god.
Why are you fucking getting so, like, pressed at me? I didn't fucking make the prices.
Jesus Christ, man. Isn't it bad enough that they gotta fucking sit through the everyday hickness of Missouri, then you gotta go pay $85 to go see even more hick shit? I'm sorry, the Branson Promised Land Zoo? What is this?
Can you stop, dude?
What are they called? The Promised Land? That's so southern. Now down there in the goddamn on promised land. Oh, Hank, man. I can't. Oh. You says the address is 2751 Shepherd of the Hills, Missouri. Bro, Missouri's hick, Austin. Just admit it.
It's I can't even. It's fucking.
Okay, fine,
bro.
fine. Missouri attractions.
Nah, bro, just stop. Just stop. I admitted it. I admitted it. Just stop. What are you doing, man? Why? Why you
Okay,
gotta do this?
you guys have wait. There's a Titanic museum in Missouri.
Yes, there's a Titanic museum.
There's somewhere in Missouri called the Ha Ha Tonka State Park. Land in the Ozarks. Oh my. Roaring River State Park. Oh my fucking god. Jesus Christ. So, did you ever, so you said you rode on that fucking Silver Dollar City train?
Yeah, when I was really fucking young.
What do
I
you remember from it?
like nothing. I remember getting
Did you
on it and
drink
then getting off.
moonshine?
No.
Jesus Christ.
Are we done with this now? Can we be done with this? We get it. Missouri's hick
No,
as fuck,
man.
okay? We understand.
Out in the boonies, drinking that moonshine. So what's in Springfield, Missouri, Austin?
A whole lot of shit. Like, there's a mall there. It's where I go to the movie theater.
Oh my fucking god.
That's it.
Jesus Christ.
It's where
The
Entertain
10
Mart is. I
most
know you get. I
redneck
know you.
cities in Missouri.
Bro, I will. I fucking hate you. I really fucking hate.
32 in the fire. Come on down, we got some great food. That's my barbecue. Is there anything wrong with being called a redneck? Every state has them, especially Missouri. You just might find just about every white person in the Show Me state is at least a quarter
Shut the
redneck.
fuck up,
Oh,
dude. Just shut.
the show me state. What does that mean?
I don't know. I
The
don't
show
know.
me
Do
state.
you think I know? I am like the least hick person, dude. How do you think? What do you think? Oh my god, bro.
Whole state of Missouri. How do we do it? We measure the things most Missouri rednecks love. You know, shooting, hunting, fishing, chewing tobacco, heck, even Walmart. Let's get
I
started.
do none
Our
of
first stop
that.
on the redneck strips of Missouri starts in Donovan, a pretty damn necky place just north of Arkansas. And that's not a Donovan truck dealership, that's an actual McDonald's parking lot. They have the ninth most bars and the eighth most gun stores per person here. Plus, it's 99% white here. That's damn high.
Why are you proud of this? You're making us look bad. You're making us look bad, bro. Why?
Up with left. Folks in Donovan live at the edge of some of the best hunting in the state. You know, deer, turkey, gray squirrel, brown squirrel, coon, beaver, baby otter. You know there's lots of rednecks in Hannibal, way out on Route 36 on the Illinois state line. Hannibal ranks 4th for fishing, 5th for places to get chew, and is the boyhood home of Mark Twain, perhaps the most popular writer of redneck fiction in the entire world.
Oh, thank you.
Twain based a lot of his redneck fiction on the experiences of growing up in Hannibal. As a bonus, Hannibal has a golden corral all to its very own.
Golden Corral.
I genuinely hate my life right now.
Catfish tray is the best deal in town. About halfway between Springfield and Rolla along I-44 is the real redneck town of Lebanon, where it's 97% white. You know you'll get there.
Why you have to say it like that? Why? This has to be satire. This has to be why? That has to be so much satire, bro. Why the fuck would you say it like that? Bro. You did not just say that.
Home and trailer parks in the Lebanon area than pretty much anywhere else in Missouri. Is there anything more American than a Missouri trailer park redneck getting after it on a NASCAR Sunday? The answer is no. No, there's
I
not.
can't. I can't.
Seems like there's rednecks in every nook and cranny in Missouri. And we
Stop.
can't get this redneck roundup without mentioning at least one city in Washington County. Today we stop off in Potosi. If you like your women just a little on the trashy side, then Potosi is your
don't.
kind of place. High school graduation rates are really low, and quite frankly, it'd be hard to find a place in the state where rednecks get after it more. But that's okay, Potosi rednecks. You knew that Monday mornings were better spent out getting stuck in the mud, not in some math class. God bless Missouri. Our next stop is in Chillicothe. A little redneck.
Stop. Why can't you just stop? Why can't you just stop? Why can't you just shut up?
They're fourth in Missouri for places to get drunk, and ninth in gun stores. And we know how much
They're fourth in Missouri for places to get drunk and ninth for gun stores.
to drink and shoot guns, so that's saying a lot. Plus, they're at the confluence of two major rivers here, which means Chillicothe next can spend all day long flushing out bluegill, catching a bus, listening to the Tigers on the radio. If you took Route 67 south to St. Louis, after about 6 or so years, you come to Farmington, which ranks really high in Missouri for places to get chew and ammo. But throw all that out the damn...
It ranks really high in Missouri for places to get chew and ammo. Jesus Christ, Austin.
How many dollar stores are in Farmington? We did a quick calculation, and there are far more dollar store options than just about anything else within a 30-minute drive. What does a redneck do when a dollar store is out of solo cups? She goes to the other one. That means there's simply no excuse for a Farmington redneck to show up to a Frederickstown barbecue empty-handed. This is Mike at Mike's Barbecue again. Did I mention that we got
what?
gators?
Why?
We got gators. Come down and try our gator, and we will throw in some hush puppies. That's Mike's Barbecue on Route 32 in Defiance. Continuing our next tour of Missouri, we come to Poplar Bluff, which is also way down by the Arkansas state line. So far, it looks like an even split between the north and south when you look at the redneck numbers in Missouri. Here in Poplar Bluff, the number of places to get guns is one of the highest in the state. And you know they know how to use their weapons down there, too. So you better not mess with them when filling up at Casey's. What does a Poplar Bluff redneck do when he gets himself a 10-point deer? He makes it his Facebook profile.
Oh my
Jumps in a
god.
beat-up truck and head west from St. Louis. After a few exits, you come to Warrenton, where trailer park numbers are 10, and where the Walmart rank is 6 in the state. For a redneck, having a Walmart all year round is like short lines at Disneyland. There's plenty of places in the Warrenton area to fill in a line, and plenty of smaller creeks and ponds, too. And we didn't know if each side ever stop a redneck into this. Smack dab in the middle of Lincoln County, Missouri is the real redneck town of Troy. They don't call the Lincoln County Fair the annual redneck roundup for nothing, folks. July next from all over Central.
The annual redneck roundup. Jesus fucking Christ.
I hate you so much.
To make this the spectacle of the show-me state. You could spot those who are truly from Troy, though. They're the ones with the red solo cup or spit and shoe, a mullet, an old ball cap.
Just shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up.
Austin, do you have a red solo cup, a mullet, and are you spit and chew right now?
No, Devon. See, here's the thing. Here's the thing. I might live in Missouri, but I do none of the fucking shit that this fucking stupid ass video. I am a Nah. Here's the thing. I will tell you. I will fucking tell you. I wear nothing that these people are saying I fucking wear. I do nothing that these people are saying. I fucking sit there. I wear basketball shorts, a t-shirt, and a Hollywood Undead backwards cap, and I listen to fucking Breaking Benjamin in my car. I'm not even close to what this fucking shit is, bro. It's making us look bad, bro.
Do you go to the annual redneck roundup, Austin?
No! I don't even know what that is, bro.
It's in Missouri. You guys got a lot of gun stores, a lot of chew stores, fucking...
They wear camo to Walmart. And where's the most redneck city in Missouri? That'd be Branson. The numbers were speculating this entire place is some shit in it. He ranked first for smoke shops, first for fishing and bait shops, and first for Waffle Houses per capita.
Oh
Some
my
people might
god.
say Branson's not redneck, it's for tourists. How do you explain 2 Walmarts, $5 stores, 6 tobacco stores, 3 truck stops, a couple of Waffle Houses, a Huddle House, and a damn river runs through it?
Just
Tourists?
fucking shoot
Let
me.
him
Like, I can't be bothered anymore.
Branson or any of the other redneck Missouri cities we talked about. You live in redneck heaven. Consider yourself blessed. Oh, you all come see us down there.
Oh my fucking god, I'm actually crying.
I hate you.
I'm
I
actually crying,
nah,
dude.
no, I'm finding something, dude. I'm fucking finding something. I don't give a shit. All right,
I don't know if there's gonna be anything to top that.
fuck you, man.
Oh, oh. Nothing can beat the annual redneck roundup. That's some real fucking.
The thing is, I
He
don't
said.
even know, bro.
So, so Austin, are you proud of the fact that fucking Missouri is 99% white?
No, I'm not.
That guy sounded proud of it.
I hate life,
Oh
man.
my god.
Can we move on? Can we fucking move on?
Well, see, there's like hidden secrets about Missouri that you just haven't told me. Like this
Bro,
whole
I don't
time,
know
you knew.
half of this shit. I don't.
This whole time that you knew about Silver Dollar City and you never told me about it.
Bro,
You knew how hick it was. You knew that you went on there, had a fucking hootenanny and a hoedown,
I'm gonna
and you
fucking kill
fucking
myself, bro. I'm done. I'm done with this shit. I'm done with this shit, bro.
so
I'm
so
almost done for
awesome.
this week. I'm almost done for this week, bro.
So the only thing left to ask is like, how much longer are you gonna hide your accent?
You mean my accent?
Well, sometimes that's an accent like comes out a little bit. I noticed it sometimes.
I don't have an accent though.
Sometimes you be talking like this, Austin.
Shut the fuck up. No, I don't.
Oh my god. That was one of the greatest videos I've ever watched. It's so informative about the state
I
too.
fucking hate you. I really fucking hate you.
Why don't you hate the guy that made the video?
Oh, I hate him as much, bro. Maybe more.
Oh, he made another video.
No, bro. I'm done. 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 I'm finished. We have so much other shit to talk about, but I'm finished. I'm done.
Some people, it's a compliment. The neckier you are, the more you're respected. Like this dude. Go on with your bad self, brother. In pop culture, rednecks have been glorified.
Oh wait, that's not Missouri. That's just fucking like states in general. Oh my. Holy shit, bro. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Austin, are you there? I don't know if he's still recording or not. I can't. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. I don't know what to do. I don't know where Austin went.
fucking done? Like, are we moving on?
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's how redneck fucking Austin State is. So
I'm
every
gonna stab
time you
every
see
single one of you
Austin, just
that watches this. I don't fucking care. I'm done with this shit. Can we please move the fuck on?
yeah, Austin's gonna go down to one of his fucking 9 local gun stores in his area. He can get his fucking chew, and then go to the $5 stores that are in drive-through. Just
You do realize I don't even support fucking guns. I hate guns.
well, your fucking state ranked like he said it
I
ranked number
know
4 in the
my
amount of
state
gun stores in
fucking
the
just
state.
because my state ranks that fucking high doesn't mean I believe in the shit. I fucking hate guns,
Well, you're
dude.
fucking. Well, why do you live in Missouri then?
Because I was born here, you fucking dipshit.
Born and raised, baby.
I hate my life, dude. Can we move on? Can we move on?
But I thought you liked Missouri, Austin.
Move on.
Why don't you want to talk about Missouri no more?
Because we have so much other shit to talk about, and this is already almost 4 hours, bro. This is already almost 4 fucking hours.
Well, I think the people are enjoying hearing about Missouri.
I
Maybe
am
we should
not.
look up more Missouri.
No. I will fucking leave. I will fucking stop recording. I will fucking be done for the night. We are moving on.
Well, if you ever take a trip down yonder to Missouri, now you know what to expect.
I hate you all, bro. I hate you all.
So, Austin, if I ever come to Missouri, can we go to that fucking redneck roundup or whatever the
I
fuck that
don't even
was?
know what it is, bro. I don't even know what it is.
I think it said it was in Branson. It said Branson's the most redneck state. Or the redneck city.
I don't even fucking know, man.
So, why do you go to Branson?
Because they actually have stuff there is some stuff that's not fucking hick there. You know, despite what you fucking think. Yes!
Well, the guy in the video said it's the most redneck place in
Because
Missouri.
of course he please, just fucking,
Why don't you like being a redneck, Austin? It's who you are.
I'm not, though.
You just gotta embrace it and be yourself.
Somebody castrate me. I don't fucking care, dude. Like, I don't give a shit. Somebody fucking put me out of my misery right now.
Why do you hate Missouri so much?
I don't hate Missouri. I just hate
Don't be
the fact
ashamed of your state.
I fucking hate. I hate fucking. I hate people that are hick. I can't stand. Here's the thing. I am not hick myself. I'm not fucking all country. Fucking all this shit. I fucking hate country shit, bro. I really do. I'm not a fan of it.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Oh, bro.
Do you know any hick people?
No, bro.
Oh god. Bro, if I ever come to Missouri, I'm gonna have to fucking be extra careful with everybody. Because the guy in the video said, like, everybody walks around in Missouri with fucking shotguns and tobacco
They
chew.
don't, though.
So,
They don't.
So I gotta watch myself. Austin, do you have shotguns and tobacco chew at your house? I gotta be
No.
careful.
Again, I do not believe in guns, so no.
Well, don't y'all down there be going out for some hunting in deer season?
No, because I don't fucking hunt. I don't fish. I don't do all this dumb shit that people do.
So,
I don't.
if I come to Missouri, do I have to like shave my hair into like a mullet and then put on like a cap and like a camo tank top and give me some tobacco chew? to fit in
Can
with
we move
the
on?
Missourians.
Can we just
Is
move
that what you
on?
call yourselves, the
No, we do not.
Missourians? The Missourites.
I'm
What do you
done.
guys call yourselves? For like Ohio, they call us Ohioans. Austin. Austin.
Are we gonna move on?
If you answer my question, yes.
I didn't hear your question. I don't personally want to hear your question. I want to move on.
I said what do Missourians call themselves?
I don't
Because I
fucking
said
know, my
in
man.
Ohio I
I don't
said
fucking know
in
what we call
Ohio
ourselves. I don't give two
call
shits what
us
we call
they call
ourselves. I would rather just fucking move on.
well, I'm just asking because in Ohio they call us Ohioans, so I didn't know if like they called you guys Missourians or
I have no
Rednickians or
fucking clue.
Hickians or whatever the fuck.
Because I don't care
I'm just gonna
enough to,
call you Dimble
like,
as
know.
Missouri. Is that why you're scared of fucking St. Louis and the gun violence? Because everybody's walking around with shotguns?
I'm done.
Come on, Austin, we're gonna move on.
Not listening.
I said we're moving on.
Oh, we're moving on, finally. Finally. Are we
Yes,
actually
now it's
moving
time to
on?
talk about. It's time to talk about. Well, since we kind of talked about fucking Silver Dollar City, I guess we can talk about an amusement park that's in Ohio.
Oh,
Um,
finally. Finally, we could talk about Ohio.